Hi guys, welcome back to another video in Python and Power BI. In today's video, we'll look on transforming our dataset. We have loaded our dataset in our earlier video, and now we can transform it, using the transform data section. So by clicking on transform data, we enter into this Power Query where we can see all the data. So we have all the columns here on survive, P class, sex, age. And then we can also use another functionality in Power BI, which is column quality, to see how many of the columns data is available. So as we can see that certain columns such as age is only 80% filled up. So there are a lot of null values, and we can, further clean up these null values to, using certain methods. So we'll explore that, and yeah, we will try to look into how we can use Python as our main language and then transform it using the transform section here. So, and when you go to transform section here, you can see lot many functionalities available. We'll not dwell into everything right now. We'll just look into Python script. We'll click on Python script, and we see a window which says dataset holds the input data for this script. So the whole of dataset is currently now labeled under dataset. So just like we define in Python the df, we can data frame, we can use another here we can use data set as the table name. So if I want to maybe just use certain columns for my analysis, what I can do is I can use import pandas as pd and create a new data frame. So what I'll do is get that library pandas as pd. So it has to be installed in your Python as a package, and then use this df1 as my output. So here the transformation will happen, and I can just use pd dot data frame, and I can call the data set which is already wrapped in. So data set dot loc, and all the rows. So dot loc is method to fetch using numbers in rows column and using the column name. So I'll specify the column name as age, and let's see if this thing works. So yeah, so what it will do is it has already created the data set which was my original data, and now my output which consists of the transformation where I've only selected one column as the age. So once I press on this table, it will automatically do a transformation here as a change type and then fetch me all the data in the column. So this is how you can transform. Maybe you can, give more columns here, and maybe you can give survived. I think that is one of the column here. So this is too many indexes. Yeah, you need to give it a double bracket. I think double bracket should come inside this. Yeah. So now we have two columns. One is age, one is survived, and this change type is automatically done by the Power BI. It is automatically changing the data type, or keeping the data type as one as decimal for age and text for survived. So if you want to change the data type, you can change it from here. but I'll keep it as the text because I don't want it to summarize this under any kind of analysis, as these are the labels. So this is how you can do the transformation. I'll also show you one more method, which is basically uh, to take out the null values in the age section here. So we saw a lot of null values here. Only 80% of the data is filled up. So that is another transformation that we can do here. So we can again call df1, or we can make it df2, and this time we gonna do the transformation on df1, and the transformation will be to fill the na. So we'll use fill na method, and df1 dot means, fill it with the mean values of each column. So let's see if this one works. So hopefully no mistakes in this. So the best way actually is to use IDE and use this functionality of checking out if there are no errors coming in. So yes, there is some error, and let me see if we can do it without df1. We can directly take the data set and dot fill na with data set means. So yes, I can. I think this time it should work. Okay, I think my spelling mistake. Sorry, it's mean, not means. Click on table 2, and it will fetch me the data set incomplete. But as you can see here, age has been filled up all the null values with the means value. So I'm happy with that. And I can see it's already showing all in green with 100% validity. So that's how you do the transformation in using Python script, and hopefully this was helpful in terms of more understanding on how we can use Python in for transformation. So if you really like this video, please subscribe to this channel, and let me know how you feel about this video. Thank you.